Good morning, Purple Phonics Group. Well, this is our last phonics session of the week, so let's see what we're looking at today. Okay, so on screen I have got 4 boxes, and these boxes have got the sounds that we've been learning, the digraph sounds we've been learning recently. So rather than me show them to you today and you tell me what the sound is, we're going to try something a little bit different. So today I'm going to say a sound, and what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write down the letters that make that sound up. So get yourself a pen and paper, and when you're ready, come back and I will say the first sound. Okay, so the first sound I would like you to write is the ch, ch, ch sound. Can you write ch, ch, ch? Okay, if you're ready, the next sound I'd like you to write is sh, sh. And the third sound is qua, 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 qua. And the fourth sound is ng, ng. Okay, when you've written all 4 of those sounds down, let's have a look and see how you did. So the first sound you wrote was the ch, ch, ch sound. Let's have a look. Did you get that right? It's a C and an H. K and h. Make the ch sound. The second one was sh. And sh is our S and our S and our H. Make the sh sound. The third one was qu, 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 qu. Did you get that one right? So we've got a Q and a U to make the qu, qu sound. And the last one was ng. Ng. The N and the G make the ng sound. How did you do? Did you manage to write all 4 of those sounds down? If you did, absolutely fantastic. I'm really proud of you. If not, take a look at them now and see if you can try and remember which letter goes together to make which sound. Okay, let's look at the sound that we're going to try today. Here we go. Do you know this sound already? Have a look at it. Can you make the sound? Okay, today's sound is f. It's a tricky one to make, this one. It's not f, it's f. You have to put your tongue between your teeth to make it. Can you say it? Okay, so the T and the H make the f sound when they go together. Right, let's have a look at how we write those 2 letters. So you can see both letters sit on the line. They start on the line with their leading stroke, and they're both tallish letters. So they're not really short letters, the T and the H, they're tall letters. Okay, so let's give it a go. Always fun when we get the pen out, isn't it? So let's have a go. So let's start with the T. We start on the line and we go up and back down and curl. And then we cross. So that's our T. And then our H, which we've done a few times now, haven't we? We go up tall, back down, up and over. And that's our H. So our T and our H make the f sound. Okay, let's have a look at the words with the f sound today. Well, we've got the alien on the screen today, so we know what that means. It means these words do not exist. They're not real words. In fact, one of them is, but not many of them are real words. We're just going to have a go and see if we can sound them out. So the sound buttons are underneath. Pause me now while you have a go at sounding the words out, blending them together and figuring out what they say. Come back to me when you're ready. Okay, are you ready? So let's have a look at our sounds. So we've got our digraph sound and 2 single sounds. So we've got f-ag, fag, fag, fag. So that's the first one, fag, not a real word. Let's try the next one. Oh, we've got 2 digraph sounds today. So we've got yesterday's digraph sound, a single sound, and today's. So we've got ch-off, ch-off, ch-off. Choff. Again, not a real word. Again, two digraph sounds here. So we've got our quef, 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 quef. Again, not a real word. Okay, this is the trickiest one we've got because we have 4 sounds in this word. So we've got 2 digraphs and 2 single sounds. So let's try this one out. Thrush, thrush. So when you put them together and you say them quickly and you slide one sound into the next, you hear the word thrush, thrush. Thrush is a type of bird. Okay, so you know what's going to happen next. I've got 4 words for you to try and spell. So with that piece of paper you've already got, get yourself ready. The first word is with. With. Have a go at that one. Okay, have you written with? Let's have a look and see if you are right. So we've got if, with. Okay, the second word is maths. Try maths. Right, let's see. Here we go. So you've got maths, maths. The third word is thing. Can you write thing for me? Okay, getting slightly longer these words. Let's have a look. So we've got thing. So we've got 2 of our sounds there. And the last one is thank. Thank. Okay, let's take a look at thank. Here we go. So we've got thank. And if you're not sure about which k goes at the end of the word, remember we've spoken before about if the sound is at the end of the word, it's not likely to be curly k, because curly k doesn't go at the end of very many words. It's more likely to be the kicking k. So thank has got the kicking k at the end of it. Okay, so today, slightly differently, we're not going to do a drawing. Did you manage yesterday's drawing? Did you draw me a king on a big ship? I hope you did. Well, today we're going to do some sentence writing. Now, we practiced this last week. We're going to practice our phase 2 tricky words. They're in these sentences, and we're going to do some simple sounding of our words with our f sound today. Okay, so are you ready for the first sentence? Don't forget, sentences need a capital letter as their first letter of the start of the sentence. They need finger spaces between each word, and they need a punctuation at the end, so they need a full stop at the end. Are you ready for the first sentence? Here we go. It's get into the bath. Get into the bath. So it's 4 words. Get into the bath. Pause me, have a go, and come back when you're ready. So are you ready? Here we go. Let's look at the first one. So get into the bath. Let's have a look. So we've got get with a capital G for get. Get into the, 2 of our tricky words, bath, b-a-th, and a full stop at the end to finish our sentence off. How did you do? Okay, let's try the second one. The second one is, this is not his. This is not his. So 4 words again. This is not his. Have a go. Okay, are we ready for this is not his? Let's take a look and see. Down we go. So again, a capital letter at the start of my sentence. This is not his. And a full stop at the end with our finger spaces between each word. Okay, so we've just got 1 sentence left to go. And that sentence is, I must go on the path. I must go on the path. So I must go on the path. 6 words in this one. Off you go. Okay, should we have a look and see how you did? Let's look. Now, I would have a capital letter anyway because it's that single word, isn't it? But it's also got a capital letter because it's at the start of our sentence. I must go on the path. Path. And a full stop at the end. How did you do? If you did all three of those sentences and you made no mistakes, that's fantastic. If there were just a few mistakes, but you worked on your tricky words and you heard the sound, amazing too. Okay, well done. Have a lovely weekend and I'll see you again next week. Bye.